if f is a vector which is equal to 2xi cap plus 3yj cap plus 5zk cap, and phi is a scalar which is equal to 2xyz, then find divergence of phi f vector at the point 1 1 1. First we will find out what will be phi f. It is given that phi, which is a scalar, that is equal to 2xyz, and f, which is a vector, which is equal to 2x I cap plus 3y j cap plus 5z k cap. So if you take the multiplication of this scalar with this vector, then this will be equal to 4 2 into 2 4 x into x square yz. So 4x square yz I cap. If you take the multiplication of this scalar with this vector, then that will be equal to 3 into 2 6 6 into x y square z into j cap. If you take the multiplication of this scalar with this vector, then that will be equal to 5 into 2, that is equal to 10, then x y z square k cap. And we have to find out the divergence of phi f. Divergence can be represented in terms of del operator, that is del dot the vector, and here the vector is phi f, and del operator is a vector operator which can be written as I cap del by del x plus j cap del by del y plus k cap del by del z, and taken the dot product with this vector phi f, which is equal to 4x square yz I cap, this one, plus 4x y square z j cap, this one, and 6x y square z j cap, this one, and 10xy z square k cap, 10xy z square k cap. So this is the vector qf. So if you take the dot product, then only you have I cap dot I cap 1, j cap dot j cap 1, k cap dot k cap 1, and other dot products like I dot j, they will vanish. So only you have I cap dot I cap. So if you take the partial derivative of 4x square yz with respect to x, then that will be equal to 8 xyz. So this first term will be equal to 8 xyz. And if you take the partial derivative of 6x y square z j cap with respect to y, the second term, then that will be equal to 12 xyz. So this will be 12 xyz, and the partial derivative of this third term, that is 10 xyz square k, z square with respect to z will be equal to 20 xyz. So 8 xyz plus 12 xyz plus 20 xyz, that is equal to 40 xyz. So divergence of the vector phi f at the point 1 1 1 will be equal to, if you put x equal to 1, y equal to 1, and z is equal to 1, then the divergence will be equal to 40. In this way you can find out the divergence of any vector using del operator.